So in this lecture we're gonna talk about convolution theorem. Clear? So convolution theorem. So convolution theorem is basically related to inverse Laplace transform. So let us see what the convolution theorem says. So the statement says that if the Laplace inverse transform of f bar s is equals to ft, and the Laplace inverse transform of g bar s is equals to gt, then the Laplace inverse transform of g bar s times f bar s is equals to integration 0 to t fu g t minus u du, which is also equals to integration 0 to t gu times f of t minus u du. So substitution, this gives you this only, nothing else. Now if you put u equals to t minus u here, you get this particular thing, nothing else. So this is the convolution theorem, got it? So now we will be proving the convolution theorem. So let's see how can we prove it. So basically let phi t be a function which is equals to integration 0 to t gu ft minus u du. Clear? So what will be the Laplace of phi t? It will be integration 0 to infinity integration 0 to t, sorry, this times e to the power minus st gu ft minus u du, and we will have dt. Clear? Acha. Okay, let me write it in a more proper manner. Maybe it is a bit clingy. So this becomes 0 to infinity e to the power minus st times integration 0 to t gu f of t minus u du, this times dt. Now it's clear. Acha, now what we will do, we will change the order of integration. So changing the order of integration, we have now how we change the order of integration. I am not gonna tell it at this in this particular lecture. We might have a separate video to understand how can we change the order of integrations. So now just see, the change in order of integration gives you integration u equals to 0 to equals to infinity gu du times integration t equals to u to t equals to infinity e to the power minus st f of t minus u dt. Clear? So now let t minus u is equals to, this is t minus u, okay, this is t minus u. So let t minus u be x. From here we get dt equals to dx and t equals to x plus u. So from here what do we get? Laplace of phi t is equals to integration u equals to 0 to infinity gu du times integration 0 to infinity e to the power minus s x plus u fx dx, that is equals to integration 0 to infinity e to the power minus su can go outside, so minus su gu du times integration 0 to infinity e to the power minus sx fx dx, this is equals to g dash s, this is equals to f dash s. So from here we finally get that implies to Laplace of what was phi t. Phi t was integration. So okay, so Laplace of integration 0 to t gu f of t minus u du is basically equals to g dash s and f dash s, f bar s. Basically the Laplace inverse of g bar s times f bar s is equals to integration 0 to t gu f of t minus u du. Substituting u by t minus u, you get integration t into f of u times g of t minus u du, and that is what you have under the convolution theorem. Got it, guys? So this was all about the convolution theorem. In the next lecture we are going to talk about some more topics of advanced mathematics. So meet you guys in the next lecture.